Hello and welcome to Parris RV. I'm Brett Parris. We are extra lucky today to be at Valley of Fire State Park. While we're here, I thought I'd go ahead and show you this brand new 2019 Rockwood. The model is called a 1970 ESP, and what ESP means is Extreme Sports Package. And what you get when you get an ESP is you get these super awesome off-road wheels and tires, 50-inch, designed to get behind your vehicle and get you in the back road so you're not stuck in a campground or car camping on the side of the road. This thing will take you in the backcountry. Plus, on the roof, it's got racks that you can put bicycles on, kayak racks, pretty much anything you want up there on those racks. Take your toys with your RV. Let's check out a few of the outside features here. One of the things I really love about this, you know, in the old days, you'd sit and crank up the roof. Well, not in a Rockwood. You just hit a button and the roof goes up. It's a power roof. Sure makes things a lot quicker and a lot easier. It's got a real nice 10-foot awning with an LED light underneath it to light up the campground at night. You put that awning out in the daytime, get yourself some shade. It only weighs 2,100 pounds, which I think is awesome. So if you've got yourself a, I don't know, a Subaru or something like that, like an Outback, you can tow something like this. That's a great thing to take your family out in. Plus, keep in mind, folding trailers, you know, I got a lot of different types of recreational vehicles. I just love folding trailers. You know, one, it's only 10 feet, it's only 2,100 pounds. You don't got to go get a new car to tow it. Plus, when you pop it open, this thing goes to a 21-foot RV that sleeps 6. So that's super cool. Plus, you're going to get in the backcountry more, like I said, with the big wheels and tires. The trees don't hit it as you're going into those small campgrounds. Get it into a tight spot, put it up, no problem. You got a problem backing up, that's not an issue either. Unhook it, push it around by hand. Maybe you got a storage issue at your house. You can put, back it into your garage, put it on the side of your house. You can't see it over the fence. Folding trailers are a great way to take your family out and have a great vacation. Some of the other things on the outside here, you got a barbecuer out here. It's also got a 3-burner stove on the inside, but if you get a choice of cooking on the outside or the inside, why not just cook on the outside? Outside barbecuer is super, super nice. You've got real nice high-end scissor jacks like you would have on a full-size travel trailer. Now, a lot of people might think that's overkill on a fold-down, but you know what? Those are a lot easier to work. Plus, you can just get a little power tool, put it on there and put them up or down, and you've got 4 of them. They're all the way around on this trailer. Give you plenty of stabilization. This particular trailer has a 20,000 BTU thermostatically controlled furnace. It's got a 3-way refrigerator, and it carries 26 gallons of water with the direct spark ignition water heater. I'm from the old days when you had to go out and light those water heaters by hand. Not in these new Rockwoods. You just hit a button and the water heater's on. Let's go check out the inside. So now we're inside the 2019 Rockwood 1970 ESP, and I'm going to show you some really cool things about the inside. I mentioned that thermostatically controlled furnace. Here's your 3-way refrigerator. You've got a converter, which means you have full campground hookups. You can plug into power. It has an automatic battery charger on board. Charge your battery whenever you're plugged in. Plus, it converts AC to DC to run the DC items in here. You've got a sound system over here with speakers on the inside, speakers on the outside. So when it comes at night and you want to hang outside and turn those outside speakers on, you can Bluetooth this thing, play, a phone list off your phone or whatever. It has a Wi-Fi ranger over here. You can hit a button. What that does is you can take all your kids or your wife's or your devices and hook them to the trailer. And then when you go to a place that has Wi-Fi, all you got to do is hook the Ranger to the source. You don't have to worry about hooking up different devices every time. Your trailer will stay connected to all your devices. Maybe you got a phone, maybe you got a laptop, maybe you got an iPad. Whatever they all are, you hook them to the trailer, and then you can just go to the source and hook up the Ranger, one thing, and you're good to go. Plus, it gives you a personal firewall, which is really nice, so you're not on an open network. You can check in things like a bank account. It does have the option of LTE service, which is pretty nice, so you could actually get its own phone service, but I don't know how much you need that when you got a cell phone. And one thing I really, really like, in folding trailers, a lot of them, keep in mind you've got to get down below here so that you can slide the beds in. Well, guess what? Rockwood gives you a swing level galley that goes down flat. Now, the nice thing about that is, notice how it killed the lights to the roof. You don't accidentally leave those on. It knows it's getting folded up. But you can leave your silverware upright, ready to go. You can keep your plates and stuff upright, ready to go. You don't have to worry about taking everything out of here and boxing it up and putting it somewhere else. Let's look at the sleeping in here. You've got a bed on this side that sleeps 2, a bed on that side that sleeps 2. The sofa will roll over here and expand and give you sleeping for, I don't know, depends on 2 kids, newlyweds would be fine, or 1 adult. You've got another bed over here, so really you can sleep like 6 in this trailer. This trailer carries 26 gallons of water, which is super nice. Has a hot and cold outside shower on the backside, which is really nice. It comes with a couple of these little bed lights with fans on them. The mattresses are heated mattresses, thermostatically controlled heated mattresses, super cool. Look at the lights. You've got 4 lights on the inside. Tent trailers mostly just have 1 or 2 lights. Not in a Rockwood, you got 4, and they're all LED. You've got a power ventilator in the roof. You can turn that on. It cranks out 920 cubic feet of air per minute, which is super nice. You can come in here, exhaust all the air, and then not have that hot air. There's a whole house water filtration system that you can put this cartridge in, and then everything that comes from the post or comes up through the tank is filtered. With a Rockwood, you just get everything, and in an ESP, you really get a super cool trailer designed to take your family out in the backcountry and have a great time. If you want to learn more about this or any RV, you come see me, Parris RV.